Good morning, everyone. I'm Steve, and I'm a Ph.D. candidate in the Department of Physical Education and Sports Sciences. Today, I would like to introduce the three classical English rules, that is, helium, zenith, and asteroid. First, let's dive into the first word, helium. Its classical root is from the Greek, that is the helios, which means the sun, and the suffix -ium stands for the standard noun ending for chemical elements, and its literal meaning is the sun element. And the story about this classical English rules is that, unlike most elements discovered on Earth first, helium was discovered in the sun. In 1868, astronomers observed a bright yellow line in the spectrum of sunlight. Thinking it was a metal, they added the suffix -ium, that is the origin of this word, and the related words including heliocentric of helium. Alright, let's move on to the second word, zenith. Its origin root is from the Arabic word, which means the path over the head, and it evolved into the Latin word, and its literal meaning is the path of the head. That is the point directly above. And we can also find the story is very interesting. Actually, it's a kind of translation error. This word traveled from the Islamic Golden Age to Europe. Medieval scribes misread the M in the Arabic transcription SAMT as an I, turning it into zenith, which evolved into zenith. And we can observe from the video below, the geometric point opposite to the gravity is called the zenith. Okay, let's move on to the last part, asteroid. This word's root and suffix are from the Greek. Its root is meaning the star, and the suffix was evolved into the English word, and the suffix -oid means resembling. Since that, the literal meaning is star-like or star-shaped. And the story is also very interesting. In 1882, William Herschel noted that these objects were too small to appear as disc-like planets. They look like points of light, just like stars. He coined asteroid because they look like stars despite moving like planets. And the related words including astronomy, disaster, and android.